What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock. I'm super excited. This restock is actually going to be my last restock just until the week after next week because the Slime Bash is next weekend. So instead of having a normal restock online, I'm actually going to be stocking my shop there and going to be selling it live. So if y'all are going, definitely let me know what slimes you want out of this restock or any of my previous restocks, or let me know if there's like a texture that you want to see that I haven't done yet. This bad baby right here is Chanel number 2. She is the queen of unicorn slime shop. She is the best seller, always one of the first ones to sell out, and I always stock the most of Chanel, so that is how you know like it is a good one, because everybody has to snatch her like a wig. Just saying. She is a very thick and glossy slime that is scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, like you open up a fresh pack of Bubblicious and just put your face in it. It smells so good. This one is great if you love holdable slimes, great if you love stretchy slimes, and if you love them thick and glossy, then you're definitely gonna love this one. Mermaid Bay is new to the shop and I love it so much. It's super sparkly because it's packed full of glitters and fishbowl beads that kind of like reflect into the slime. It's just super nice, ultra clear, and it has this gorgeous blue color to it that kind of looks like the ocean. It has holographic and iridescent glitters in it, so it definitely sparkles a lot, and it will also come with that mermaid tail charm in there as well. Besides the actual fishbowl beads that are in there, I actually added in some like little confetti pieces in it as well, and it looks super cute, and I love it so much. Melted Mint Chip is another one of my melted ice cream slimes. It's actually the second one. Last week I stocked melted bubblegum ice cream, which is discounted in the shop for this week. There is still a couple left, so if you want to get a cheap slime, definitely go ahead and grab that one. But this one here is Melted Mint Chip. It is scented just like chocolate mint ice cream. It smells so good. It has those Java pieces in there as well to represent the chocolate chunks, and it's super creamy, super nice, and I love it so much. It reminds me of the old days of slime, like what slime used to be. So it's definitely like a very nice texture, very cool and soothing, and I just really love it. Comment down below what your favorite flavor of ice cream is, and maybe I can make a melted ice cream slime out of that. Peach Fuzz is a peach scented and peach colored cloud slime. It's really nice and drizzly. The way that I had my camera set up, it wasn't appropriate for the cloud slime, so I had to adjust the camera a little bit after this one. So that's why it looks a little bit awkward with me trying to drizzle it, because I kept hitting my microphone. Sorry about that. But it's a really nice drizzly one. If you saw this on Instagram, you will know that it's very drizzly and very cloud-like, and I love it. Next up, we have another cloud slime. This one is Baja Blast. It is scented just like the Mountain Dew drink, and it smells so, so good. I love it so much. I associate Baja Blast with Taco Bell because that's really the only time that I ever get a Baja Blast. So, yeah, just to let you know. But this one's really nice and fluffy and drizzly as well. I would say this one is definitely the best cloud slime out of the 3 cloud slimes that I am stocking, but they're all amazing, so, you know, it just depends on what you want. Some are thicker than the others and all that kind of jazz, but it's really, really nice. I'm really obsessed with cloud slimes at the moment, so you're gonna see a lot more of them in the shop. And the third cloud slime that I have for you this week is Dr. Pepper. It is actually scented like Dr. Pepper Cherry Vanilla, and I love this one so much because it does like this cool color changing effect. So when you let it sit, it actually is like a dark red, but then when you start stretching it and fluffing it out so that you can drizzle it, it actually turns more of a brownish color. It's really, really nice, and I know it kind of looks red on screen, but that's just the way the camera's picking it up. It's a little bit more brown in person, just saying, but it's really, really nice. This one is drizzly as well. This is more of a softer cloud slime, so if you want a soft one and not something so dense, then this is totally going to be the one for you. This one here is Grape Laffy Taffy, and I'm super excited to bring this one to the shop because I haven't had a Laffy Taffy slime in stock in forever. So I really love this one. It smells exactly like the name, like grape candy. It smells so, so good. Very, very creamy and everything that you would want in a Laffy Taffy slime. Banana Split is so beautiful. I honestly just can't with it. It's so aesthetically pleasing to me. I just literally have no words, but I have to kind of find them. So what can I say? This is a cloud cream slime, and it is triple scented. So each of the different colors are scented like what they're supposed to be scented like. So the brown is chocolate, the pink is strawberry, and actually the middle, the vanilla part, is actually scented like vanilla and banana, so that you kind of get the banana split kind of feel. It is topped off with yellow Java chips and also some red foam beads just to represent bananas and cherries, and I love this so much. You can try to keep them separate if you want because it's so thick that you can actually do that. You can just rip off the layers, or you can totally mix it together and it'll be like a nice chocolatey color and it'll look really nice and smell really good too. I love this so much. I made some extras, so I actually have some for the grab bags as well. So if you want a little baby banana split, then you can order some grab bags and hopefully you'll get one of those. Blueberry cheesecake. This is the brother to strawberry cheesecake, which I actually had in stock restock last week, and you all seem to love it, so I decided to bring this texture back in the form of another cheesecake version. So it's scented just like blueberry cheesecake. It is a snow fizz slime, really crunchy, really sizzly. I love it so much. You all seem to love it, so that's why it's here. It also has some small... Ooh, yeah, there's small blue foam beads and large purple foam beads. I couldn't decide which one was large and which one was small. So, yeah, but this one's really, really nice, very sizzly and crunchy. If you love to hear bubble pops and love to hear slime sizzle when you are playing with it, then this is definitely the one for you. Unicorn cereal has definitely been a fan favorite for quite a while, and I actually forgot to restock it last week. I definitely wanted to, I just totally forgot. So it is back this week, and it will be available at the Slime Bash as well. This is Fruit Loop scented, and it's really, really nice. It has a bunch of various foam beads in it, large and small, just to kind of give it the unicorn vibe, and I love it so much. Great for bubble pops and just for everything, and like I always say, you can never go wrong with a Fruit Loop scented slime. Another recent fan favorite is Bejeweled. I wanted to give you a close-up this week because look at how beautiful it looks. It's just amazing. There's absolutely no glitter in this whatsoever. It's just like the little colors that are being reflected off of the fishbowl beads, because there are regular fishbowl beads, the clear ones, and there are also rainbow fishbowl beads, and it's just amazing. This is a great fishbowl slime. It's packed full of those fishbowl beads, and I'm in love. It's unscented, of course, so that it can stay clear for you, but it's really good. And last but not least, this is my favorite out of this entire restock. I would definitely say this is unscented, but this is Planet X water. I really didn't know what to scent it, so that's why I just didn't scent it. And I really didn't want the scent to kind of mess up the texture because it's super, super soft, yet it almost kind of feels like a putty as well, very holdable. I love it so, so much, y'all. The color, first of all, can we talk? So there is multiple colors that show up in this slime. It starts off like as a purple, but in certain lightings, it looks blue. Like right now with my studio lights on, it definitely looks blue, but you can also see some hints of green in there. It's just so weird. I really didn't even know what to name this, but I was like, you know what? If Planet X had water on it, this is what it would look like. I mean, I'm pretty sure we wouldn't be able to drink that water, and so I thought it would look really cool and nuclear like this does here, so that is why I named it that. I would definitely suggest that you grab this one. There's a limited stock of it, but I really, really love it, and I want to make more, so let me know if I should do that. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope that you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. The shop is open now, so make sure you check the description box to get the link to shop. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!